All right. So now, welcome once again to NK Tech channel where we upload content you can learn from and learn from. So now to do this now, come to your Mrs. browser. This is our Mrs. browser. Come to extension. So we need to download our MetaMask wallet. So you click for, so you search for MetaMask extension. MetaMask extension. So you click on the first option, accept all. So now you come to this right corner. Come to this right corner, add to Chrome. So once you've added it, all right, have you seen it has been added? All right, so if you look at this extension, I click on this extension, the MetaMask has been added. So I click on the MetaMask. So I have an existing wallet. Okay. Import using secret. So you come to your MetaMask and import your wallet. So for you to be able to copy your seed phrase, click on these three lines at this top corner. Click on these three lines, come to settings. So you see privacy, set security and privacy. So this is where you can copy your seed phrase. So you click review secrets recovery phrase. So you'll be asked some questions before you can copy your seed phrase on your MetaMask. Just answer the questions correctly. Then you come here to import the seed phrase. Continue. Password. Continue. Open wallet. So since you've imported your wallet, you'll be seeing it. Ensure that you've import your Sidra into your MetaMask wallet. Ensure you import your Sidra into your MetaMask wallet. If you don't know how to do that, I've made a video already on how to do that. Alright, so on this particular video, I'll be dropping the video link of how I made the video. Okay, so now this is it now. I'll click on the Sidra chain, sidrachain.com. So I'll come to this search button and click on sidrachain.com. A man has the right of collabo. Ensure you know your password. Ensure you know your password. If you're here to create a password, they'll ask you to create it. Alright, so click on password sign in. Signed in. You come here, external wallet, connect wallet to MetaMask. Your password. So click on connect. So you see how easy it is. See how easy it is. So I already have Sidra already in my MetaMask. So that's why it's easy for me to do that. So if you don't know how to do that, I've made a video on how to import your Sidra to your MetaMask. So the link is presently under this video. It's showing under this video. Okay. And this saying so click on confirm. So it's easy now because after you saying it now. So if you are there to connect your Sidra, so I've made a video on how to do that. Confirm. Confirm. So I've connected my wallet